Good morning. Today in the shop, we're going to be going over some door making. I'm going to do some point of view on how to build doors, and we will also be doing assembly of cabinets. That's what we're going on today. See you in the shop. These are the panels that we ran on the last video. They're getting sanded now to be stained, and door parts are going to be made so we can get the doors put together.
As I grab the clipboard here, I realize I don't have my pencil and cannot find it.
Lost my dang pencil. Oh, I had it over. Lost my pencil.
It's in my hat.
That'll do it.
Found it.
That's how you know you're a real person. You're caught in your hat and can't find it.
Dang it. I knew I had it.
That's great.
We stack all of our panels up like this for drying, but it makes it kind of difficult when you got to sort through them. I'm sorting these panels quickly from the tallest, widest panel down to the shortest, narrowest panel, so that corresponds with the paperwork, so we can just grab them right in order. Okay, so it's door assembly time. Grab the parts, put them in the clamp there, and insert the glue into the ends. Insert the rails into the stiles, and then use a brad nailer to secure the parts together until the glue dries. This particular door is going to be the side of a cabinet, so that's why you can see some of it's stained, some of it's not. Okay, it's time to assemble some glass doors here. These are going to be a 4-light mullion door, so I start by putting the parts together, gluing them, and getting them all put together, put them in the clamp, square them up, and nail them together. Once they're the size, then I fit the pieces that we already have pre-cut into the glass doors so that we can make the mullions. Paperwork we create gives us an exact location of where the center of these mullions have to go. So I am just marking out where the center of the mullions go and then making sure they fit correctly and then gluing them in place. After I get them the way I like them, I make sure they're squared up, and then once I'm happy with everything, I take super glue here, put a little dab of super glue, and then hit it with an activator aerosol can so that it holds it in place till the glue dries. Now that the doors are sanded and stained, it's time to put the spray to them. So here I'm spraying on the seal on the top coat so that they get a good protective layer on. Never got the doors all built, so here I'm putting the top coat on the drawers so we can get them installed in the cabinets tomorrow.
That drawer's done.
Alright, so
Just these drawer fronts.
in those doors. And that cabinet.
Yeah, I don't.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi. There's like 2 times.
Good morning. Good morning. Today in the shop, we're going to be going over the ultimate rustic alder kitchen. The rustic alder, oh boy. The ultimate rustic alder kitchen. This is part 2. Yeah. And then, this morning I need to also template it so that the installation can happen on that quick and painlessly. See you in the job. See you in the shop.